how to connect Namecheap domain to InfinityFree hosting. So connecting these two platforms is very easily. Of course, first buy the domain that you want inside of Namecheap. And after successfully buying your domain, of course, you will now own the URL link or the domain itself. All you need to do is to go to InfinityFree, select on accounts over here on their main menu on the top, and click on create account. And over here, simply select the hosting plan. For me, I'm going to go with the free version for now. And over here, simply enter the domain name that you have. And as you can see here, enter your domain name and click on check availability. If it's already connected to you or if you already own it, it will automatically connect it. And over here, you just simply proceed to the additional step and done. And through that, you will be able to easily connect your InfinityFree ad domain or your domain found in Namecheap easily. So that's the same process or the very simple process on connecting our two platforms over here. And then you can simply access the different features such as free SSL certificate, site builder, and other features available in InfinityFree. So that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.